What's up, gentlemen and ladies? Welcome to another episode of Project Gentleman. We are here. We love to talk about the things that help us win in life. And today we're here again at Hyundai Talisay, Cebu to talk about one of the fan favorites when it comes to the subcompact crossover SUVs. So right now we have here the Hyundai Creta N-Line, now with a facelift and some really important changes, which is, I believe, a lot of you will really love. I can't wait to get this started, guys. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. So welcome to the interior of your Hyundai Creta N-Line. What do you think of the new dashboard right here, guys? Let me know down in the comments. For your dashboard, as usual, premium quality right here. Then obviously, you have your red lines right here, okay? From this side over to this side, it's a fully integrated instrument cluster with your infotainment screen. Then you also have a great amount of space right here for your phones, your wallets. Love that. I'm sure your passenger would love that. And then for your glove box compartment, okay, so you have this, it's not hydraulic, but it's really functional and very wide as well. So let's go here at the top. You have a black headliner, which is really great, looks very elegant. And you have your mirror, and then you have here your dome lights, okay? It's color orange. No eyewear holder, unfortunately. And then on this side you have your mirror, which is really good. And then you have your manual rear view mirrors. Then you also have right here like your front sensors, because this has sensing, okay, safety sense. So again, your infotainment screen is really large. And this right here is your push start button. Very good. And then you have dial type controls for most of your functionalities, but you have knob type for your volume and for your radio. And then you have right here your power sockets, USB-A and Type-C. And then you also have a space right here for your phone and wireless charging. So right here you have your shift knob, okay, still with a red line, so very nice. And then with the N emblem or branding right here, Okay, kinda like a perforated leather. And then your button is actually here at the back where you can, oh, it's supposed to be pressed down, and then you can go ahead and shift. So you have a sequential mode as well. You'll really have fun when you do the sequential mode on this one. And then you have controls for either side, for the front passengers, for the ventilated seats. Then you have right here control for your around view monitor, or what we know as 360-degree panoramic view. And then you have two cup holders. They seem to be large enough for most drinks. And then right here you have your controls for your drive modes and your traction control. You have here your electronic parking brake and auto hold system. And then of course a space here for your keys, which is right here. Okay, this is how your key fob looks like. This is one thing that I really loved about Hyundai vehicles. I really love the effort that they put in with their key fobs. So you can just put it here. Okay, you have a home here for your key and maybe some coins. And then lastly, you have here your center armrest or compartment, center console. It's impressively large and wide and deep enough for me. Though you don't have a power socket because you have them right there. All right. Okay. It's wide enough. Okay. As you can see, can fit 2 elbows abundantly. All right. Then for your seats, perforated leather with your red line and then your red stitching. And then at this part right here, you have this like texture, and then you have the red checkered and the N badge right there. Very nice. All right, so once again, we have our key fob right here, and because of that, we are able to now turn on your infotainment screen and your accessories instrument cluster. So as you can see, you have the Hyundai logo, and then everything is starting up. Accessory mode. As you can see, this is how it looks like once you start your Hyundai Creta N-Line. Wow, it's really great, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So you have fully digital instrument cluster. I love that you can see this right here. There's circular analog speedometer and tachometer. And then you have this tail at the middle, which is a typical design for a lot of cars nowadays. You have your average fuel consumption. And then this is a look of your infotainment display with the idle mode. Very cool, very elegant. And then below you can also see your distance and some very important information here below, temperature and everything else that you need to know. And then by the way, your Hyundai Creta N-Line comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is really great, very convenient, right? So going back here for your steering wheels. So you have perforated leather, again, feels great to your hands, very sporty, and it's a completely round steering wheels, which I really love. Then like a texture right here, like a gray, dark gray finish, right? Metallic gray, which is really nice. And then the N badge, once again, Hyundai logo for your horn. And here at the right side, you have your adaptive cruise control, guys. Can you believe that? And your controls as well. Make it faster or slow it down. It's all right here at the right side. And then here at the left side, you have your controls for your music and your system. And guess what, guys? For your Hyundai Creta N-Line, to really make you feel that sporty vibe, you have paddle shifters. OMG, you have paddle shifters, guys. So it's really great. And then of course the left side you have your turn signals, and at the right side you have your wipers. So that's how it sounds once you turn off your Hyundai Creta N-Line. Okay, here at the left side, you have here your controls for your side mirrors, auto folding side mirrors. Okay, which is really great. Lock, unlock, and then you have your power windows, all 4 of them, and then automatic up and down for the driver's side only. And then here you have your grab handle and your leather elbow paddings. Like a dark silver door handle right here. And then 2 bottle holders. The space here for your other things. And then you can see right here your lever for your gas tank. And then you have here your lever for your hood. And then you have a control here, traction control or stability control button. And regardless of your preference, you don't have to worry because your Hyundai Creta N-Line has tilt and adjustable, tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheels. So I honestly love what I'm seeing. I love how it feels here as a driver. Just again, very aggressive feeling, very sporty. Your headroom is absolutely fantastic, okay, as a driver, as you can see. And your legroom as well is very amazing. So now let's go over your second row or your backseat passenger, how it feels and what we have over there. Let's go. So welcome to the second row or the back seat of your Hyundai Creta N-Line. This is your view as a backseat passenger. What do you think, guys? Let me know down in the comments. You can see the red lines all around. Just really love it. Okay, so here again, your black headliner and you have your map lights, again in orange. And then you have here pockets for your seats. Both of them, very good. And then you have here 2 AC vents, okay, which is freely adjustable to each of your passengers here at the back. You have a space here for your phone because you have a Type-C power socket, which is really great. When it comes to your center tunnel, okay, let me just remove this so that you can see it's honestly not that high. And then here you have, as a backseat passenger, very premium feeling leather center armrest with 2 cup holders, both again for your medium or even your large drinks. Then very easy to pull out because you have this right here. Okay, I love the quality. It really feels premium. And again, you have similar texture there for your front seats. You still have them here, that sporty feeling and sporty looking seats. You still enjoy them here as a backseat passenger. So what are our final thoughts for the Hyundai Creta N-Line? First of all, I love the safety sense. It's becoming like an ideal feature that you want to have, especially if you have a family and then you always go for very long trips, provincial rides. This car has it. And most of all, my favorite feature, the 360-degree panoramic view, it has it. So when it comes to the non-negotiables or the ideal features that I would like to have, it has it. 360 camera and the safety sensing. So it checks the box right away. And then of course, your turbocharged engine, perfectly matched with your sporty looking exterior. Very great. That exterior is just really attractive and a head turner. And most of all, that sporty feeling here inside, both as a driver and a passenger, combined with that premium Hyundai feeling. Again, the metal here is just really impressive. The build quality, always really impressed with Hyundai. So yeah, shout out to Hyundai for this amazing subcompact crossover option, which is really high-end and is a great choice for a lot of enthusiasts who wants to enjoy the premium feeling for their daily drive. So I guess that's it for our review of the Hyundai Creta N-Line. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What did you like? What do you wish could have been there? This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that those who seek God first are the ones who truly win in life. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Ciao.